Okay, so for the next tutorial, I am going to show you how to add the text overlays and the different overlay functions in Picmonkey. Okay, so for this one, it's better if we start from scratch, creating a design. Okay, so later I am going to show you how to choose the canvas and the templates and edit it. But for now, we are going to start from scratch. So starting from scratch means you have to have your own size. So having your own size, go to design and set it. So 1000 by 1000 pixels. So that's an Instagram size and click on make it. Then click on apply. So for now, we start with a white blank canvas. Let's say I am going to do an Instagram image, a quote. So let's get a quote first from Pinterest. Okay, so let's load up this one. Let's say, okay, so let's say, so this one. So weight loss is not a physical challenge. It's a mental one. Okay, so we will be using this text. So let's go back to Picmonkey. Now, this is how you add an image. So since this is blank and we want a very nice image, so all you have to do is go to the overlay function. So the butterfly, go to add your own, and then my computer. So usually I would go and search on the different sites where there are free images to use, like pexels.com, and then choose an image. So let's choose first. So it's about weight loss. So we will choose something that's relevant. Um, okay, so let's choose this one. So that's how you add an overlay. Click on the overlay button, the butterfly, add your own, my computer, choose the image, and click open. Now, since it doesn't fit, of course, all you have to do is just drag it. Then just drag it and place it according to your preference or what looks nice. So like this. And then you may either flatten it already or not. So I often like to flatten it. Now this is how you add a text overlay next. Go to the T or the text. What's nice about Picmonkey is they have this a lot of font options that's free when you that can be used when you sign up to them, or go to here, the yours. In yours, Picmonkey will read your computer or laptop and detect what fonts you have installed on your computer. So for me, it already read these are the different fonts I have. So how to add a text? Just click on the font that you like. For example, this one, Sign Painter. I click on this one and click on Add Text. Get your code, copy, and paste. And adjust. So this function here will appear. We can change the size by adjusting the size here. It's depending on the size that you prefer, or you drag the text area. And then change the image by setting the hex code here, or you choose colors in the color picker section. You can add effects by clicking on effects on the side. You can add a shadow. Change the color of the shadow according to your preference. So that's it. Since it's not that clear, I often add a shape at the back. So just go to overlay, go to general, then go to geometric. So choose what shape you prefer. And then adjust accordingly. Now, since it covered our text, just adjust it on the player and drag it below the text. So, hindi na klaro ang text. Change the color again to white. Remove the effects. You may change the color of the shape here. Fade it a little. It also has a color picker. So, this is nice. The Picmonkey. And adjust. So, that's it. Now, if you have a logo or your client's logo, just go to overlay. Add your own. And then look for that logo. So, for example, this is the logo. Hindi pa siya PNG. So, just drag the logo where you like it to be added. So, that's it. That's how you add different overlays. So, what's nice about Picmonkey is it has a lot of different overlays that you can use. So, from whimsical type, so it has tiki overlays, baby stuff, Maud and Mary, so for Christmas, Halloween, game. So, of course, this overlay, you use this depending on your design. So, if your client do not want that, do not use that. So, most often, the clients would really indicate or tell you what kind of design they prefer. So, for this one, this is timely because the client's color is pink, the brand color. So, our image is also pink. Our shape is also pink. So, it just fits right. So, but you may play around with these different overlays. You may add tape. You may add buttons. So, depending again on your design. It has cute animals, flowers. So, just play with it. After designing, again, you go to export if it's ready to be uploaded. Always go to export because Picmonkey doesn't autosave. So, not like Canva where it does autosaving. Picmonkey doesn't. So, just click, add a file name, and click on export. Now, this image is now saved to my downloads folder. So, let's just wait. Internet is a bit slow. It's a bit slow. Let's just assume that it's already saved. Or you can click here if it's too slow. It's already saved. Okay, so that's it for adding overlay and adding text. So, if you want also to change the text here, just click on the text and choose different font. So, it's still up to you what you prefer or what the clients prefer. So, you can bold it, italize, center, align to the right, align to the left. So, it's up to you or it's up to the client's preference. And save. Now, for the next one, that's how you add overlay. It also has frame, which you can play around. So, for example, for this image, we want cut out in circles or in shape. So, this is already the areas where I do not typically use this for social media design, but just showing you, we can add a frame at the side. So, it looks really nice. You can add photo corners in gold or in silver. So this is the area where you can play around. Feel free to look and play around. Now, this one here is different texture that you can use, different effects for your images. This one, they have the theme section. So the vampire for November kasi it's all Halloween type. And by December, you will see Christmas stuff here. Okay. So that's it for the overlays. So this area here are all overlays that you can use and different effects that you can play around. But for someone doing social media, most of the time, the images are very simple like this. So what I've taught you or what I've shown you are enough for you to start creating social media images. Okay. Now let's go back out and I am going to show you the different templates. So if you're still uncertain of what design to use, you can go to the template section. So my internet is slow, so it's loading slow. You can choose the different category here. If you want for invitation, announcement, post for business, for Facebook post, Instagram post, Pinterest post. So let's just say I want to create a Pinterest post, but I do not have any idea or inspiration. So most of the time, I go to the templates area and look. So, Picmonkey has very nice templates that you can look and get inspiration from, or you can use it. If you want to use it, just click on it. It will give you a free preview and then customize. And then that's it. It's time for you to edit it according to your color, according to your preference. If you want to change this image, just click on it, right click, and replace from computer, and then you load up your own image. The same with the other images here. If you want to change the text, just click on it and click on the text area. If you want to change the color of the background, just click on it and change the color of the background. So it's as easy as that. And once again, when you're done, just click on export and save it to your computer. So that's it. That's how you use templates. Okay, for the next one, the collage. I also honestly do not use collage much, but just to show you how, just click on collage and it will show you the different. Collage from the word itself is a collection of different images. So add in here the image that you prefer. So let's just assume that these are the images that I want to put in a collage. Click on this layout area and you can have different options of your collage. Sometimes people would like to use collage for Facebook cover photos. So you may click on that and it will give you different layouts. If you have many pictures, so the collage with many picture options is what's for you. You can also use the jigsaw. So this one is for Instagram. This is very nice. Or the tiled border for. So again, this is all up to your preference. Now all you have to do is just go back to the image collection and just drag the picture. So making the collage is as easy as that. If you want to change the background, just go to the color section and go to the background area and change the background. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Then send to editor if you want to edit it further and for editor to flatten the image. If not, and if you're happy with this, just click on export and it will export your design to your desktop. So that's it. And that's how easy Picmonkey is. So that's it for now. And hopefully you learned something. And play around with this. Use the image just in the different designs that you have. You can add it on your Wix website. You can add it in your Facebook post. So whatever your preference.